Coinbase's stock price has been on a tear this year. It's up by 120% since January. That's within 3 months. This is thanks to the banking crisis in the US. Silicon Valley, Silvergate, Credit Suisse, and Signature Bank's collapse may have been traumatic for normal bank users. However, for crypto bros and Bitcoin lovers, the fall in the banks fulfills their narrative of crypto replacing the traditional banking system. That's why Coinbase is rallying, while other bank stocks are failing. It's because the market is afraid of the banks, while the crypto community is positive about the crypto market. Coinbase, as the largest crypto exchange in the US, is poised to benefit greatly from the global banking collapse. Cathie has been loading up on Coinbase stock in the past 6 months. With all the positivity in the crypto markets, the fact that Cathie bought shares in crypto companies before the banking collapse turbocharged crypto's recovery was almost prophetic. Cathie bought over 47,000 shares of Coinbase in March of this year. She spent tens of millions buying crypto this year. Currently, Cathie has over 6 million Coinbase shares in ARK. ARK is the ARK Innovation Fund. It's Cathie Wood's flagship fund. Among the other ETFs Cathie is selling, this one gets scrutinized the most. Buying Coinbase for this fund is the same as saying she's bullish on crypto in the long term. No one is going to say they are bullish on crypto in the short term, not even Cathie. The key here is crypto's long-term prospects. Coinbase is one of the largest crypto exchanges in the world. It wasn't always this way. Back then, Coinbase was just a wallet, a very famous crypto wallet where you'd place your cryptos into. You could buy some crypto using your credit card at Coinbase, but the types of crypto was limited. While many crypto exchanges offered thousands of different types of crypto for customers, Coinbase back then focused on a few cryptos: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a couple others. Back then, you couldn't even buy ADA or Sol or Graph or AMP or the Near protocol or any of the other cryptos Coinbase currently lists on their website. Coinbase was able to sell only a handful of crypto and ignore all its other competitors because it was one of the pioneers. By being first in the markets, it managed to capture a large swath of the crypto market who wanted a safe place to stash their crypto other than the resource-heavy crypto wallets on the computer. Coinbase allowed you to send and receive crypto like Bitcoin very quickly. If you relied on a Bitcoin client on your PC back then, it would have taken ages, days, weeks, months to transfer your Bitcoin, and you would have had to deal with a lot of complexity associated with crypto and their wallets. So Coinbase solved the readily available problem with Bitcoin, which still exists today: transaction time and security. Fast forward to today, and Coinbase is a crypto behemoth. In terms of trading volume, Coinbase lags behind crypto exchanges like Binance, which did choose to focus on crypto trading from the start. Despite that, Coinbase's trading volume is still second only to Binance. Looking at CoinMarketCap, the only website that matters if you want to know the price of cryptos based on trading volume, Binance might be the largest crypto exchange in the world, but Coinbase is the second largest crypto exchange in the world, and it's the largest crypto exchange in the US because Binance focuses more on overseas crypto investors instead of the US. Coinbase supports crypto trading for 179 cryptos, while Binance supports more than 600 different cryptos depending on the country. The trading volume checks out. No user in the USA can access Binance, while any US resident can access Coinbase. They each have their own strengths. Coinbase is a large player in the crypto space, so if Cathie wants to own the future of crypto in the US, then her best bet is still Coinbase. And lucky for her in this crypto winter, she managed to buy Coinbase while it was still cheap. ARK Invest believes that Coinbase is likely to benefit financially if its trustworthy Coinbase wallets are used to help crypto trading. It's a good time to buy crypto if you believe in it in the long term, since most prices are down right now. According to their financial statements, Coinbase actually beat analyst expectations. Now, even if they did beat analyst expectations for their annual 2022 earnings, analysts actually expected Coinbase to lose money, and Coinbase actually lost $2.43 per share instead of $2.50 a share. Revenue dropped by 75% to $629 million compared to what market analysts expected, which was $587 million. So Coinbase is still losing money, but it's losing money slower than people expected. One good thing that happened to Coinbase was their verified users rose by 24% up to 109 million in the last quarter last year. In crypto, verification means the KYC checks, the know your customer checks, where the crypto platform has to know what your identity is through official documents documents like driver's licenses or passports. Having more users verified on the platform means customers will be able to access most of Coinbase's crypto services like buying crypto on the platform. The reason Coinbase rallied in January before the mid-March banking collapse was because in January this year, lots of investors were optimistic about the market. They believed Jerome Powell's rate hikes and interest rates were finally dropping, so lots of investors bought into the market. All tech stocks rallied. A lot of stocks in different corners of the market rallied as the economy improved. Coinbase's stock price rally was not based on fundamentals. It might fall soon after Jerome Powell's rate hikes announcements throughout 2023. But that doesn't matter to Cathie Wood if she believes in crypto in the long term. Crypto markets operate in cycles. Crypto prices rallied for a couple of years before entering the crypto winter of 2018. Then it rallied in 2020 till the crypto winter of 2022 when everything crashed. As long as the next crypto rally returns, more people will flock to Coinbase to use their services, and that means profits. As long as Coinbase can bide their time until the next crypto spike, they'll be more profitable than ever before. Cathie Wood still has a $1 million price target for Bitcoin that she needs to see through. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one.